complete, let's have a look on how we would package our project. Packaging Kedro projects can be very useful, especially when we want to share our work with other users. Creating a package means that we don't need to share the source code with the end user. Instead, we just share a runnable binary. If you worked with Python projects before, you might have noticed that many of them have HTML documentation available. Kedro makes it easy to generate your own HTML documentation from your Python files. You have to include documentation as docstrings to your various classes, methods, modules, and use the Kedro build docs command to generate your HTML documentation. By default, Kedro uses the Sphinx framework that is widely used within the Python community. Let's generate our documentation. When building documentation for the first time, a new subdirectory should appear under the docs directory. Let's build our documentation. Now all our docs were successfully created. We can find them under docs build HTML. Let's have a look. Let's go to index.html. As you can see, all our files are in HTML format. Let's open this folder. As you can see, documentation was generated for our project. Here we have the pipelines modules, the nodes module. Here we have the pipelines package, and within it we have the nodes package. Here we have the pipelines package, and here we have the nodes package. As you can see, for each individual method, we have the documentation that we created with our docstrings. We have information about what the method does, what are the parameters, what do they represent, what are the return types, and what we are actually returning. Now, to generate the Kedro package, we can just run the Kedro package command. This should create two package files within src dist, an egg file and a whl file. Let's build our package. Package successfully built. Let's have a look at our src dist folder. As you can see, our command created two new package files. We must note that these two packages do not contain any information or data from the conf, data, and logs folders. This means that we can run our package with different configuration and different data on different machines. In order to install these packages, the users need to pass the path to the wheel file to the pip install command. Kedro does not need to be installed in advance. Now, in order to actually run the project, you usually pass the name of the project to the python m command. In a real-world scenario, you might want to use Kedro with other tools, such as Docker or Airflow. The community has created the Kedro Docker plugin that can be used to encapsulate Kedro projects within Docker containers. Meanwhile, Kedro Airflow enables you to convert your Kedro pipelines into an Airflow project. If you want to stay in touch and receive notification whenever I release new videos related to data science, machine learning, AI, please click that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell if you want to get notifications as soon as possible. Thank you very much for watching this video and see you soon.